So let me ask this directly, Mr. President. Today, on the 3rd of February, does Rwanda currently have any troops at all in Eastern DRC?
I don't know.
The Rwandese really keep on denying that they are in the DRCs, neither here nor there. The tide has shifted and they need to give commitments about their withdrawal. Of course, the M23 and all rebel forces are emboldened and they are moving now towards other provinces, and they are posing a threat. Of course, their mission, they're saying, is eventually to go and attack Kinshasa and take over Kinshasa. The statement that has been issued out by the government in Rwanda yesterday, it doesn't deal with the thrust of the problem and their commitment to ensure that Eastern DRC is pacified. They need to make a commitment in that respect to give guarantees to everyone, or else they're going to keep on becoming pariah state. The Germans have started to withdraw their developmental aid, and Rwanda depends so much on developmental aid around the world. And they must exercise their influence to persuade the M23 to play the ball in this respect. Continue to deny this, it's really tarnishing their image.